With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, in this question it is given that L is a smooth conducting loop and this radius is given L is equal to this 1 meter and the fixed in the horizontal plane. A conducting rod of mass is equal to 1 kg and the length is slightly greater than L and the hinge at the center of the loop can rotate in the horizontal plane such that the free ends slide on the rim of the loop. We can see clear. There is the uniform magnetic field strength B is equal to 1 Tesla directed vertically downward. The rod is rotated with the angular velocity omega naught is equal to 100 per second and the left. Clear. The fixed end of the rod and the rim of the loop is connected through the battery and EMF is what E we can see. Resistance is given that is equal to 1 ohm. Initially uncharged capacitor capacitance C equal to 1 farad in a series. So we have to find the time dependence EMF we have to find such that the current I naught equal to this 1 ampere and the circuit is constant we can see clear. Now in the second part of this question energy supplied by the battery by the time rod stops clear. So in this question there is the two part we can see that. So first part we have to find the EMF, the time dependence EMF we have to find, and second part we have to find the energy supplied by the battery we have to find clear. So in this question we can see that this is what a rod is given this clear. This is what omega naught it is and B is what downward direction clear and this current I is this. So I will pass in this direction clear. This way we can pass clear. Now from here we can say that F is equal to what QV cross B. As we know F is equal to QV and cross B clear from here. So we can see that from here. So positive charge at this end and the negative charge in this end we can see from here. F and B is what in what directions? So this is the V cross B we can see clear. So V cross B is what we can see force will apply in this direction. So positive charge in this direction and negative charge in this direction. So EMF induced when it will rotate with some velocity this omega, angular velocity omega, then EMF will induced inside of this clear. So EMF will induced in the same polarity with E we can see from here clear. So we can draw the circuit. So if you draw the circuit, so we can say that this is what we can write from here induced EMF. This we can write, this we can see that this is what induced EMF we can draw and this is what capacitor we can draw here and here we can see that this is a battery here we can draw and here is the one resistance. So we can see that this is what battery this and the EMF of this battery is what E and this is what induced EMF in same direction, same polarity we can see plus and minus and this is what uncharged capacitor is here and this is what external resistance we can draw. So external resistance we can draw in this way. This is what external resistance we can see clear. Now from here we can see that EMF induced inside this rod in the rod is when it will move with the velocity of this angular velocity omega. So induced EMF is equal to this E is equal to we can write 1/2 B and omega into L square. This we can write clear. Now from here we can see that this is equal to 1/2 B value is given 1 and L value is also given 1. So we can write omega into 1 whole square that is equal to 1. So this is equal to what we can see from here omega and divided by 2 clear. Now as we know omega is equal to omega naught and minus we can write alpha into T as we know. Why this is minus? Because it will deaccelerate clear when force is equal to what ILB. So force is equal to IL cross B this clear. So from here we can see that this due to this force it will deaccelerate clear. It will deaccelerate, that's why here minus we can say clear. So alpha into t. So from here we can find the alpha value. So how we can find the alpha value? From here we can see this is equal to, so as we know, I into alpha is equal to what? I is the moment of inertia into alpha is equal to I L B force into what? This L by 2. This, clear? Torque. I alpha is equal to torque, we can write, clear? So this is equal to what? L by 2 we can write. So I is equal to, we can say, moment of inertia of rod about its one end. This is equal to m and L square and divide by 3. This. And this is what? Alpha. And this is what we can write, I into L square into B and divide by 2 we can write. So from this we can see L square and L square cancel out to each other. This we can see. Now from here we can write the alpha value. So alpha m is equal, given, that is equal to 1. We can see. And this I is also 1, B is also 1. So alpha is equal to, from here we can write 3 by 2 rad per second we can write. This is what alpha we can see, clear? Now if we apply the KVL in this circuit, applying KVL in this circuit, so we can write this induced EMF plus A is equal to IR, and plus we can write this is equal to Q by C we can write, clear? This. Now from here we can see this A is equal to, now from here we can see that E is equal to, from here we can write 1 by 2, and this is equal to, E is equal to omega by 2, and omega is equal to what? From here we can see omega naught, so we can write 1 by 2 into, this is the omega naught minus alpha into t we can write, clear? This. And plus E is equal to IR, so I is 1, R is 1, so 1, and plus Q is equal to what? I into t we can write, and divided by this. C is also equal to, we can see that C is also 1 farad, so 1 we can write here, clear? Now from here E is equal to 1 plus, this is what? I is equal to 1, so t we can write here, clear? So we can write here t, clear? So this is what t we can write, and minus we can write 1 by 2, this is what? 1 by 2 we can write, clear? Into omega naught, and minus alpha is equal to 3 by 2, and t we can write. This we can see from here, clear? Now from here we can write E value, and this E is equal to, we can write 1 plus t we can write minus omega naught by 2 we can write, omega naught is also equal to this 1, and plus we can write this is 3 by 4 into t we can write, clear? Now from here we can write this is equal to, this is what? Omega naught is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and t plus we can write 3 by 4t, so this is equal to, we can write 70 and divide by 4, so this is what? E we can write, clear? So this is what we can see answer for the first part of this question. So this is what E is equal to, we can see 1 by 2 and plus 70 and divide by 4 we can write this, clear? Now for the second part, in the second part we have to find the energy. So as we know, energy is equal to, we can use this, W is equal to, we can see this integration of E, and we can write here I into dt, this we can write. Now from here we can see that this omega is equal to what? Final omega is equal to 0. So from here we can write, we have to find energy when it will stop. So omega is equal to omega naught minus alpha into t, clear? So from here we can say that this omega is equal to 0 is equal to omega naught minus alpha into t, and alpha is equal to what? 3 by 2. So from here we can write alpha into t is equal to omega naught. Alpha is 3 by 2 into t is equal to what? Omega naught we can write, clear? Now from here we can write t is equal to 2 by 3, because omega naught is equal to 1. So 2 by 3 second we can write this. So we have to integrate this 0 to 2 by 3, we have to integrate this, clear? Now E is equal to, we know from here we can see E is equal to 1 by 2 and plus 7 by 4t, and I is what? 1. So we can write this is what dt we can write, clear? So integration of this from 0 to 2 by 3. From 0 to 2 by 3 we have to integrate. So this is equal to 1 by 2t and plus we can write 7 by 8 into t square we can write. Now we have to put the limit 2 by 3 we can put here, clear? Now from here we can see this is equal to, we can put this 2 by 3. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 we can put, and plus we can write 7 by 8 into we can write 4 and divided by we can write 9, this. So from here we can see this is equal to 1 by 3 and plus we can write this is what 7 by 18 we can write, clear? We can divide this, so this is equal to 7 by 18. So this is equal to 13 and divided by 18, this. So this energy is equal to, this work done is equal to energy, and this energy equal to we can write 13 by 18 joule. So this is equal to 13 and divided by 18 joule, clear? So this is the required answer for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubt and App today.